These are the best 2023 Prime Day deals on products that were winners in my comparison videos in order of how amazing of a deal they are. First, Dreamtech came out swinging this Prime Day. The L10S was the winner of my last premium robotic mop and vacuum showdown, and since then both Roborock and Ecovacs have released robots with the exact same form factor as the L10S in order to compete. But this Prime Day, the L10S is $300 off, making it $699, which is the same as the Roborock Q Revo and $300 less than the Ecovacs T20 Omni. But the L10S is still clearly the best, and it is the vacuum that I personally use on my first floor. If you're not interested in mopping and you're looking to spend a little bit less, the best budget option is the Dreamtech D10 Plus, which is $100 off and just $279. My Dreamtech D10 Plus runs 5 days a week in my mostly carpeted second floor and does an outstanding job for the price, and my favorite part is it never gets stuck. If you're in the market for a great home theater projector, the Dangbei Mars Pro is not only on sale for $1,224, which is about $120 off its normal sale price, but a recent firmware update allows for access to a hidden menu with picture control options that are normally only available on Android 11, which allows the Mars Pro to be calibrated, making it an even more insane deal. If you've been considering getting a dash cam, the Viofo A129 Plus Duo is the best bang for your buck at $169, and this Prime Day it's $35 off, making it an even better deal. Another winner from my videos is the Anki NCD800 dual lens 180-degree panoramic camera, which is normally $350 to $399, but it's $100 off this Prime Day, which is the lowest price I've ever seen it. If you're looking for a whole NVR package, Reolink has a bunch of them on sale, but most are using their NVR only cameras from the B and D series, which limits the app's ability to use person and vehicle detection. However, the NVR with the 4-pack of RLC 510As is on sale for $320, which is $50 off its normal sale price. Also from Reolink, the Wi-Fi doorbell is only $79 today, which is $10 off and a great deal on a locally controlled doorbell with great image quality. The two winners from my contact sensor video are also on sale today, with the Aqara Zigbee sensor at $14, which is about $3 off per sensor, and there's also a deal for a 2-pack of refurbished Z-Wave ring sensors for just $17. Last, if you're looking for a great streaming stick, then the Fire TV Max 4K is an absolutely huge upgrade from the normal Fire Stick as far as responsiveness, and supports basically every advanced feature that you might find on a TV these days, including automatic frame rate switching and auto HDR. Links to everything in this video are down in the description, and if I missed a great deal that you found, let me know down in the comments and I'll add it to the list. As always, I appreciate if you use those links, since as an Amazon affiliate, I do earn a small commission on the sale at no cost to you. If you found a great deal in this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching The Hookup.